Hey everyone, I just wanted to post a brief video on our upcoming research paper. This paper is a 4-page paper. I'm just going to go over some basics about the paper. Everything is on D2L and always has been, of course. So just make sure you're keeping abreast of when that's due. It's coming up in a couple of weeks. So it's a 75-point paper. And this paper is a chance to explore and evaluate resources that are going to support your topic. So it's really your first research paper, at least for this class. You're going to choose a topic of interest from the following list of topics. So this is going to be a paper that focuses on treatment methods, which is going to help us prepare us for Chapter 3, which is our review of assessment, diagnosis, and treatment. So kind of warming you up for that phase of the semester. So you have a choice of anxiety, mood, schizophrenia, eating disorders, autism spectrum disorder, and Alzheimer's disease. Although we haven't gone over these yet, you're going to sort of get, a jump start on digging into some of these categories of disorders. So first, choose your topic of interest. Then you're going to go on to the Front Range online database sources and find articles that discuss your topic. Make sure that these articles, you'll need 3 of them. One has to be an experimental article. They all can be experimental, especially when you're dealing with treatment. You're going to see a majority of experimental articles where they're comparing 2 different modes of treatment and obviously which is more significant, which is more effective for that particular disorder. So make sure these are peer-reviewed articles. The Front Range databases narrows that down. EBSCO is always a good source for those. You're going to write your paper. These are just some basic writing components of the paper. Certainly you're going to start out with some kind of a thesis statement, summary. Make sure you're using specifics from the research. I really like papers that are rich in statistics. I know a lot of the research articles you're going to find, some of it might be hard to understand and fully comprehend. Read what you can read. Usually the beginnings of articles, the end are mostly written in language that most of us will understand. In the middle, sometimes it gets really deep into the statistics. But I'm sure you could extrapolate some information that will make, again, your paper more interesting. You need 3 in-text citations. You can certainly have more, but a minimum of 3, and just following APA style. So here's just a page order, a title page. You will need an abstract for this assignment. All that information is on D2L under the APA module. 4 pages of content, and you'll need a references page as well. Here's your basic rubric. 50 points is for your paper itself. Thesis statement, support, details, your 3 in-text citations, and then just some basics of just skills total following APA style, abstract, reference page, and so forth. So there's your paper. I look forward to reading it. Make it interesting. Find a topic that you are interested in. I'm just going to go up here and just bring up our home page for a second. All the information for this week is here. Just to confirm, this paper is not due until September 21st, which is 2 weeks from Monday, the 7th. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys soon.